Imagine effortlessly publishing books that earn you money every month. BookFlipper AI makes this a reality. Early adopters like Marcus, Jonathan, and Patricia are already reaping the benefits. They're publishing multiple books that generate a steady income, all without extensive writing or technical skills. Here's how it works. In just 5 simple steps. First, log in to BookFlipper AI. With one click, get a ranked shortlist of profitable niches, all backed by real sales data. Next, choose your niche. The AI analyzes bestsellers and tells you exactly what's missing. This ensures your book addresses real reader demands. Then, with a simple click, let the AI generate a complete manuscript. It writes 15,000 to 25,000 words, tailored to fill the gap you identified. After that, your book is ready for publishing. Upload it to KDP in minutes or choose to auto-publish it. No formatting hassles. Finally, track your sales. The dashboard highlights what's working, helping you make smarter decisions for your next book. BookFlipper AI takes the guesswork out of publishing. For just $17, start building your portfolio today.